guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, after getting a lot of requests to make the bride and the groom and get them married, today I'm finally doing it. So without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So guys, over here I'm transforming my old Indian bride and groom couple into a new one. So without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So over here, after painting the skin, what I'll do is that I'll start painting the face, and for that I'm using some of my makeup too, and then my marker and my paints. After making the eyes, I'll also make the eyebrows and then the lips. So once it's done, as you can see, I'll make the red bindi for the whole forehead. Now let's start making the dress. So for here, I'm taking this very beautiful pink colored fabric, and for that I'm starting to make the blouse. So this is the cutout I'll stick on each of the sides. After I'm done doing that, let's make the sleeves. So for that again I'll use the same fabric and cut it out like this. And then I'll stick it on both of the hands. Once the blouse is done, I'll cut out these designs from a mesh fabric and stick it over here in the front. Once it's done, as you can see, I'm starting to make the lehengas. So for that, over here I'm taking the same fabric and I'll be cutting it over here this way. You just have to follow the steps properly to make your own dress for your doll. So once I get this kind of design, I'll just cut it out from here. And then I'll take this very beautiful golden lace and stick it on the borders. Now let her wear this. So after it's done, I'll stick it from the back side. And I'll stick some designs over here as well. Then this is a very beautiful golden mesh fabric with some golden border, and these are some jewelries which I've taken the cutouts from the same mesh fabric. I'll put some red gems over here and attach these jewelries together. So now I'll stick the jewelries on the doll. Now these will be the bangles. So for that I'm using some foam sheets and some golden glitter fabric. So guys, after accessorizing her up properly, I'll use these two. These are kind of a lacy effect, and I'll just take these two and hang it over here. Once it's done, I'll just put the beautiful mesh fabric, and now let's start painting our groom. So for that, over here again I'll just repeat the same thing which I did with the face. So guys, I'll just stick some moustache over here with some wool. Now let's make the dress for the groom. Over here I'm taking this very beautiful golden, dull golden fabric, and I'll be cutting it over here like this. So once it's done, I'll stick these two from here and then put some glue over here as well and stick it just by folding it a little bit. Cut it from here, and this is what I get. I'll cut from this side as well. Now I'll fold it over here, and this is how it looks right now. After sticking these two parts, I'll just make him wear it. Then I'll just use my glue and stick it from the waist. Once that is done, let's make the sherwani. So for that, over here I'm using the same fabric I used for the doll, basically the bride's dress, and they'll be matching together this time. So over here I'll just cut this part out, cut it from the middle as well. After I'm done doing that, I'll take these two fabrics and take the measurement of the arm, and then I'll just cut it over here for the sleeves. So this is what it looks right now. Let's stick them together, and this is how it looks. So once it's done, I'll stick it on the groom. Okay guys, so after sticking from one side, I'll stick the other part as well. And I'll take the same fabric and make the collar. Then I'll take the designs and stick on one side of the sherwani. And then let's make the shoes. So for that I'm using some brown glitter paper, and I'll cut these parts out. Then I'll just basically stick on the leg. Now for the base, I'll take this black colored paper and I'll stick that, and this is a cardboard watch which I made. Then this is a very beautiful fabric which he'll be draping it on to his shoulder and the hand. So as you can see, my Indian bride and groom couple is now ready guys, and they are matching today. So it's really beautiful, and I love this video. If you guys also like this video, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. And guys, at the last of this video there will be a short wedding of these two, bride and groom, so you guys are kindly invited. Till next time, bye bye.